Hello everyone, welcome to Tasty in Situ. Today we're making goat meat pepper soup alias ngwongwo, same thing. And we're going to be using different ingredients like the goat meat itself, salt, habanero pepper, shallots, onions, Maggi or bouillon cubes, and we're also going to be using some parsley. First of all, we have to prep every single item, and we're going to be starting with the goat meat. I found this goat meat at Walmart. I was really surprised because it was cubed and it was very fresh. That's it out of the bag, getting a good wash. I also have some goat meat at home that I would like to add because I'm expecting a few guests, and so I'm trying to cut or cube this goat meat to be about the same size with the one in the bag. The goat meat is a delicious meal. We look forward to the goat meat usually during the festivities like Christmas, New Year, growing up. Every time we get to know that we're going to have goat meat pepper soup, or ngwongwo as we always called it, it was such an exciting time. We were always very excited to have this meal. And so here you see me cut some onions and some shallots, a large onion, and then I'm going to put everything in. This is the pepper soup spice. If you want the shortcut to it, here is your bus stop. Everything is in a sachet, dried and ready to go. You just drop it in and then you cook with it. But if you want to go the long route, I'll guide you through what you should buy. This is the first one. It's called Uda. There are about 3 more spices. I think this is another variety of the Uda because they all came in the same bag. The next spice is called Efuru. This one actually looks like a peanut, but it's not. It's going to be blended into the dry spice. The third one is Ataiko or Orima. These tiny little seeds, and all the others are heated up to bring it back to life. So I put it on the pan for like 3 to 5 minutes just to heat it up. And guess what I'm going to do next? I'm going to put it in my little mortar and pound. These spices could be found in your local African grocery stores. And by the time I'm done crushing everything, this is about what it looks like. And this is ready to go into the pepper soup. So now we have the goat meat and the dry spice ready. Next, we are pounding the habanero pepper. If you like the content of this video, if you enjoy what you see, subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. I want to use this opportunity to welcome all our new subscribers. Thank you for joining us. Next, we put everything together. This is the goat meat, about 2.5 to 3 pounds. The onion goes in. The shallots, I like to use the shallot because it's packed with flavor. And the ground habanero pepper goes in. Last, we have the spice. I'm going to be using 2 bouillon cubes. First, I'm going to use this pair here, and then later on I'll add the other pair. I'm using a teaspoon of salt. Water goes in. Your water level should be right about where the meat is, and this is cold water. After this point, if you have to add water because you need broth in it, you have to pour some hot water in there just to keep the cooking going. You want your pepper soup to look like this because you need this broth to serve. It's a soup, so we need the broth. I'm adding my last bouillon cubes, and while that is going on, I'm getting my bunch of parsley ready. I'm going to be using this parsley towards the end, like the last 1 minute of the pepper soup. The pepper soup cook time, by the way, is about an hour for the goat meat to soften up. So roughly at about that 1 hour is when I am adding my parsley, and I'm going to be using the parsley to garnish in a little bit. Right after adding that parsley, it's ready. The goat meat is served, and that is the broth. Oh, so delicious. Yeah, you pour that broth in there real good. And then we have the parsley for garnish, and time to taste. My guests have never had goat meat before. This is their first time tasting goat meat or goat meat pepper soup. So let's see what they think about it. Enjoy, my friends.
It is
Very
really
delicious.
outstanding. The spices, flavors, very, very good.
Very tender.
Tender, yes.
Really good. Good job.
It's wonderful.